Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send a folder in Gmail. So, if you have a folder on your computer that contains multiple files or photos, Gmail does not let you send the folder directly, but there is an easy workaround. Open up your browser and then simply search for mail.google.com and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, simply tap on Compose. Now inside here you'll see a small icon that says Insert Files using Drive. Tap onto it. Now tap on Upload. Then tap on Browse. Now locate the folder you want to send on your computer. Now once you find the folder, right click onto it and simply tap on Send To and then tap on Compress Zip Folder. And just like that, this will convert the folder into a zip file that contains all the file inside it. Double click on the Gmail file to upload it to your email. Now once the upload is complete, you can simply enter the recipient's email address and add a subject and type in your message. Finally, click on Send and the folder will be delivered as a zip file attachment, allowing the recipient to download and access all the file inside it. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.